swore they'd see him hang. They swore they'd shoot him too. They swore at anyone who'd laugh about the things they do. Bankers up all night, I still recall their names. Sometimes folks have to say that they remember to see James. It was a lonely time, that killing war was through. It had to come down to one bad man to see what he could do. Just like when Richmond found out the Union was to blame. Sometimes folks have to say that they remember to see James. It was a wild time, you know it was for sure. But he won't ring no church bells with pistol shots no more. He'd show the working man he was working too. He'd show anyone the Westerners knew he could do. It could have been revenge, but it would taste of fame. Southern folks have to sing that they remember to see James.